Hello YouTubers and welcome to the official Aspire review channel on YouTube powered by AspireSig.com. Today we're going to be doing a really special tutorial review and it's just going to show you how to upgrade the firmware on your Aspire Plato device. Now what is special about this firmware? Well, it allows us to personalize the logo on your Aspire Plato device. So basically the boot up text, you should be able to see the boot up text when we power this unit on. So it says Pluto World. And so in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change it to something else. So before we get started though, I want to remind you guys to like our video. Also subscribe to the official Aspire review channel. And with that, let's get started. So we do have a tutorial and there will be a tutorial download link inside of our YouTube video description. So as we can see in step 1, it's just opening up Paint. And we're going to make a paint area of 96 by 32 pixels. So the paint is in your Windows Start menu, and you just open that up. And we've actually already opened up Paint. And in our written tutorial, we actually have A, B, C, D, E. So we're going to do something a little bit more interesting in this review. So step 1, we go to View tab and make sure that these 3 boxes are ticked, and we want to actually be able to enlarge this, so we're going to zoom in, and we can see at the bottom here it says 96 by 32 pixels. And now let's go to Home and then open up the keyboard. Now one thing about creating this this logo text is that it should be centered inside of the middle of the grid. So we're going to say Plato Vapes. Okay, so once we type this in, now we want to move this to the center of the grid. And now we save it. So we can save it here. Now save as a bitmap or BMP picture. And so we're going to put Plato Vapes. As you can see, we've created several different boot up logos. Now one thing about the logo, another thing about the boot up text or whatever is that if you have like skills inside of Paint, then you can change the font and even add simple objects. So we want to save this file type as a monochrome bitmap. Click OK, and then we can minimize that or close it. And then in our tutorial, it actually shows us to part 2. We want to update the logo. So we want to go to the AspireSig.com website, and it's /upgrade. So here I've already opened the Aspire website. And if you don't type in the URL, there's actually a download link at the bottom, at the footer of the website. So we click that, and on the left we have an upgrade section. Click that, and this is the Aspire firmware. And so we want to, there's going to be a brief description. So now this only supports Windows, and we click this download button, and we wait for this to download. Again, I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe. We will be uploading many more tutorials and reviews to our YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe. Okay, now we just open this up, and we want to initialize the setup tool. Okay, now it's going to install the drivers. Now the next step, once it's installed, is okay. Now it's finished. Okay, now we want to remove the battery from our Plato device, then connect the Plato to the computer via USB. So we're going to pop the battery out. Now this is the black cable that comes with the actual Plato device. So please only use the cable that comes with your unit. We tried it with some other cables and it didn't work. So now we're going to plug this into our computer. That's going to be off screen. Then we want to reinsert the battery. Okay, and now we want to go to our desktop, and okay, on the bottom right, we're going to see the upgrade has been successful. We finish that. And here is the icon here. So now we want to upload our logo. So step one is we upload Plato Vapes. So we open that up. Update logo. Now if this bar turns fully green, then hopefully the upgrade should be successful. So it has been successful and it actually powers on. I don't know if you can see it. It says Plato Vapes. So sometimes, this is a really important thing because I've tried this many times today, and sometimes it will say Plato Vapes or whatever you want it to say automatically, but sometimes you have to actually unplug the unit and then repower it on. So let's repower it on, and hopefully again you can see this, the boot up logo, and it says Plato Vapes. Okay. So yeah, and another cool thing about the Plato is that it does have a rotatable screen or G-sensor, so that's another cool thing. Okay guys, well that just about wraps up this review. Again, I want to remind you guys to like our video, also subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more tutorials. We're going to be doing showing you a lot more products, features, all this good stuff. So make sure to subscribe. And yeah, so that just about wraps up this review. Like our video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.